Max and Ruby's Switch. It's a perfect day for playing in the backyard, right, Max? Yep, and I know just what I want to do today. Do you? Yep, I'm making a beautiful flower arrangement for Grandma. Is that what you're doing? Nope. But look, all the flowers are in bloom, and Grandma loves beautiful flowers. What could be better than making a bouquet for her?
Building stuff in the sandbox.
Really?
Sure. Look, my trucks are ready to dig.
Well, if that's what you want to do, have fun.
Max, Ruby, I need your help.
For what, Dad?
I'd like you to keep an eye on Oliver and Grace while I clean out my work shed.
Sure, no problem. I've got this covered. Max and I are happy to help.